about the way you walked in my direction. So confident, but unassumingly. And thinking about the night you took my hand for the first time. It took a minute to admit it, but it turns out that you were all I needed. Yeah, the calm I crave, the sunshine when I hate to drive in the rain. Oh, I must have done something right to have you in my life. They say that love is never easy, but baby, I say we're living proof, living proof. They say that the honeymoon won't last, but baby, they haven't been with you. I love to love to love you. I do. I do. You love to tell me why we're meant to be together. Reading me your vows every single day. I used to dread the mornings, but with you I'd rather chase the sunrise or feel the minutes disappearing. But I know now that you're all I needed. You're the calm I crave, the sunshine when I hate to drive in the rain. Oh, I must have done something right to have you in my life. They say that love is never easy, but baby, I say we're living proof, living proof. They say that the honeymoon won't last, but baby, they haven't been with you. I love to love you. I do, do, do. I love to love you. I do. Something about the way you walked in my direction. So confident, but unassumingly.
We're back here. I don't know guys if you can remember. Last 2023 pumunta tayo dito. This is what they call the Bridal Veil Falls dito sa South Dakota. Ayan guys, nag-a-ice. Kita nyo ba yan? Falls na nag-a-ice. Tingnan natin yung tubig sa baba. Wow! Amazing! Ayan guys. Yan yung itsura niya pag hindi nag-a-ice. Kung hindi nyo nakita yung first vlog ko dito, try ko ilagay sa description box. Yan. Dumaan lang kami. Happy New Year pala everyone! So, this is my second day off. And kahapon, wala kaming gala kasi yung husband ko nag-work. So, ngayon, kami ay parehong off. Kaya kami gumala. And, meron din kaming gustong i-try guys. Sana magamit namin. Ano kasi, may biniling drone yung husband ko. And gusto namin i-try, pero meron kasi mga specific lang na area na pwedeng gumamit ng drone. Hindi ka basta-basta makakagamit ng drone dito. So, ayan guys, tumaan lang tayo dito saglit. And let's go. Kasi, yun nga, itatry natin yung drone. Sana matry natin somewhere. Nag-check pa yung husband ko. Kasi parang may map siya na kung saan pwede ka lang gumamit ng drone. Yan guys, may ice pa dito. Doon kasi sa pinagsistayan namin, wala ng ice. Ilang days na walang snow. Let's go.
To love you, I do. At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember that he's on the back of the school bus, making up us. Wanted to grow up, but now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple now. They're all memories. Honestly, I can't believe 2,000 babies aren't the babies anymore. I'm getting older, but who's really keeping score? It's all a numbers game, 'cause I still feel the same. The only thing that's changed is that I've lived a few extra days. I know that it's just time passing me by. Fine, can't help but wish I could still be childish. 'Cause now life's got me so stressed. Just wanna play on my DS. No way of knowing what comes next. Just wanna be childish.
So, dito tayo ulit guys sa Spearfish Canyon.
I'm still
Isa din to sa napuntahan namin. Dinalikan lang namin. Habang tinatry pang anuhin ng husband ko kung may internet kasi nakakalokag yung guys. Hindi namin ma-install yung app which is dapat ginawa pala namin doon pa sa apartment. Pero anyway, try namin pumunta sa Deadwood. Doon kami maghahanap ng signal. And then, kung kapalarin, baka babalik kami dito or pupunta kami somewhere na pwede kami makapag-try ng aming drone. So, ayan. Hindi ko alam kung alala nyo yan. Yung sa vlog ko. That's the view, guys. And, ang time ngayon is 2:30 ng hapon. Yeah, guys. Late na kami umalis kasi ng apartment. Kasi matagal kami natulog kagabi. Kasi nga, New Year. Ganda ng ganda nila decor. Ganda. Ganda din niya pag may ice pa yung yung paligid. Kasi nung pumunta kami dito, walang ice. So tara, balik na tayo sa sasakyan. Punta tayo ng Deadwood. Let's go.
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember that he's on the back of the school bus, making up us. Wanted to grow up, but now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple.
So we're here na sa Deadwood, guys. Naglalakad lang kami kasi doon kami sa may public parking which is malayo. Doon sa pinuntahan natin before. I don't know if you can remember, guys. Basta ilalagay ko na lang sa description box yung mga link ng mga previous vlogs ko dito sa Deadwood. Tsaka doon din sa Bridal Veil. Kasi bumalik lang naman tayo dito. Ayan. Lakad-lakad lang tayo. Then punta kami ng Starbucks kasi parang gusto namin magkape, mag-snack pa. Let's go. Tingnan nyo guys, may paano sila dito oh, rides. Tanungin ko yung husband ko kung gusto niyang itry. Skating and ice bumper rink. Nice. Wala yan nung pumunta kami dito eh. Kasi nga hindi pa yun winter or tapos na yung winter nung pumunta kami dito. Or summer yata. Yun nakalimutan ko na guys. Ganda.
I worked I'm single, so it wasn't bad being a single guy.
You're so heavy, bro.
Maraming tao ngayon kasi nga January 1st. So, naka-leave or off yung mga tao ngayon. Yan guys, yan yung vibe dito sa Deadwood. Mga t-shirt sila. Daming tao guys. Lot of people everywhere. Itong gala namin ngayon, palihi to guys. January 1st na palihi. Para all year round tayo makapaggala. Hopefully, makagala tayo more this year. Para more travel vlogs tayo. Makita nyo yung itsura ng USA. Meron silang mga hotel dito guys. Like this one. Hampton Inn. Kasi nga ito ay parang ano ba, galaan talaga. Meron ding mga shops, hindi lang casino, mga restaurants. Ayan guys. So, pupunta tayo muna ng Starbucks. Nandiyan na yung Starbucks. So, malapit na kami. Let's go. Starbucks. Snacks lang kami. Kasi anong oras pa yung last kain namin. Gutomers na. Let's go. Sana open. So dito daw tayo. CR lang ako sandali guys. Kasi nag-order pa yung husband ko. And ihina talaga ako. So hindi lang pala Starbucks yung nandito. Meron din silang mga ibang restaurant sa loob. And tsaka bar din. Yan, bar yan dyan.
I just have some baris.
So order pa pala siya. Akala ko order na siya. So antay lang tayo dito guys. And plano din namin sa naririnig niyo ako, hindi ako nag-mic. Plano namin sumakay nung trolley nila dito. Kasi di ba malayo yung pinagparka namin. So try namin sakyan yun papunta doon sa pinagparka namin. Hopefully, meron pang round yung trolley. Kasi pa naman, 3 something. So, ayan guys. Update na lang later. O-order siya dyan sa Jersey Mike ng sandwich. By the way guys, parang hindi namin magagawa gamitin yung drone today. Kasi nga, walang signal guys doon sa mga spot kung saan pwede kaming mag-drone. So, next time na lang, sa next gala na lang namin. Kasi, parang sa next off namin, may pupuntahan kami sa may Wyoming. So, doon na lang siguro namin gagamitin. Gusto lang sana namin siyang gamitin ngayon para alam namin kung paano siya gamitin na ba. And, malaman din namin kung may sira para maisauli pa. Pero it turned out na hindi namin magagamit ngayon kasi limited na lang yung time and wala pang signal doon sa mga spot na sana anunahan namin. Paggagamitan sana namin ng drone. So next time na lang guys. Here's our order sa Starbucks you guys. Yung akin as usual. Matcha. Yung sa kanya naman parang bago to eh. Peppermint mocha. So, yan yung ating drinks. And then, nag-order pa lang siya ng sandwich. Inaantay pa niya. So, ayan. Yan yung tubig na dala namin. Nagdadala talaga kami ng tubig para hindi na kami bumili kasi mahal. So, ayan you guys. And meron tayong konting pa-view sa labas. Tapos na kami guys. Hindi ko alam kung makakapag-trolley pa tayo, pero try namin mag-antay konti.
Right side naman.
Pero pag hindi, hindi mag-walking tayo papunta doon sa parking. Okay lang kasi busog naman. Let's go!
At some point, I started getting perceived as a grown-up. Yeah, it snuck up on me. I remember that he's on the back of the school bus, making up us. Wanted to grow up, but now I'm missing the old days. They were so simple now. There are memories. Honestly, I can't believe 2,000 babies aren't the babies anymore. I'm getting older, but who's really keeping score? It's all a numbers game, 'cause I still feel the same. The only thing that's changed is that I've lived a few extra days. I know that it's just time passing me by. Fine, can't help but wish I could still be childish. 'Cause now life's got me so stressed. Just wanna play on my DS. No way of knowing what comes next. Just wanna be childish.
For the experience lang yung tram. So far, ano lang. Madaling sakay lang. But that's alright. Ayan guys. Lapit na tayo actually sa parking. Let's go.
Ganda.